everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. There's some new ones and then there's some old ones, but today is the last month for coupons to print. Some of these might still be available tomorrow, and then some of them will not be available. Some of them are only available during the month, so I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Sorry if my screen's a little dark. I'm still learning my camera, so just giving you guys a heads up on that. But like I do tell you guys this every day, I do print my coupons from Swagbucks because I get points for every coupon. So they did add the M&Ms. We got $1 off of 2. I've tried these. They're okay. But right now with Valentine's Day coming around, there's going to be some really good deals. Now they have a 50 cents off of Coffee Bliss. Now they just added these innovation cuisines. I'm going to print these off anyways. I'm not sure if we're getting any coupons for them, but we have $2 off any 2 of something that's 9 ounces or less, and then we have $2.50 off of 2 anything 12 ounces or larger. So there is that. And then they have some the Fruitifuls. Looks like that reset. We have $1 off the Garnier, $1 off of 3 Kellogg's. Gold Bond is still available. CoverGirl reset. We have $1 off the Act mouthwash. Biotene. Now here is a Godiva coupon. It's off any bag or gift box of chocolates. It excludes the bars. So again, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so you guys could get something like that. Crunchmaster grain. Now it does say any bag of Crunchmaster crackers. I'm not sure if that includes the original because that is showing up on our apps, but I'm going to print it off. I'm going to read what it says. But the Sheba is still available. Rolaids, Dulacs, is still available. Here we got Pagoda. So there's that. Yoplait. Now I have a feeling like the Yoplait, that'll end today, but it'll reset tomorrow. Usually that's kind of what a monthly thing. Now they just added some Airwick coupons. Here we got $2 off, $1 off, $5.50 off the 12. That's a kind of a high value. I'm just gonna print these off just in case. But yeah, $5.50 off of any 2 twin refills. I don't even know how much those cost normally, so there's that. And then there is a $3 off the Essential Mist Starter Kit. The Kellogg's Special K is still available. Windex, Clear Cell. Here we got Pete and Gary's Organic Eggs, Slim Fast, Clorox Scrubbing Bubbles, still available. And like I said, some of these disappear after tomorrow, so I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. But the coupons that are still available, if you guys haven't printed them off, is another Sheba one, the Skittles, the Perel, all that stuff is still available if you guys need to print that off. But I just wanted to give you guys new coupons to print, so hopefully you guys can get them printed before the month ends today, actually. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.